adventure out time today, you know. What out with the crew? Adventure them. See me? We're going to do some ATV. General is here. Stella, one down. Everybody ready and active to go ride some bike.
See there.
Remember me tell you. We have all type of woman. Mad woman, good woman, whiny woman, crosses woman. Name them.
Crosses woman enough.
But when we say we have all type of woman, we say yes. But now me I single them out. We not crop them. Can't deal with them. Me tell them say me are right in at this. Everybody a tell me no because I ask them if I feel them. No, me tell you that this is right in at. Yeah, come on, put for me head when me right.
What?
And if them a tell me say, so what I know who did this action? So if I put this for my head, I want it for my head. Put it for my head, man. Go, hold on. You know, go and get something clear for it. Look like me alone I eat that. Me want ever me alone I eat that. Roxanne, I know what who they. You put it on your head. What is on your head?
Woody.
Wood.
Oh,
Money well spent.
I'll go for the ice and the table and the chair.
Yeah, man. Just so I get that.
So guys, watch this now. Crazy thing. See me? Indicator over the side here. Lights over here so. Starting right here so.
Underneath so.
And
Underneath.
underneath here so. You see me? And then you have to know if it's skated by the tool. 120 by the tool. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. We're gonna ride it off and we're going to some.
Yeah, go what?
So you're not trouble there. Yeah, trouble there, you go
Go now. We're gonna skate it off on the tool.
see that dog. No, you can inquire.
No, I don't know if you know about though.
Gone, you know.
God, I run.
Up.
Why not?
Guys, I'm going with good faith right now. Big up Jamaican adventures.
Who said that one again?
Because remember, I'm very wild. Come on, people, I need a helmet. Where's my helmet?
Jamaican adventures.
Smooth criminal. You watch Nemesis? Come, give us something.
I don't know what to tell you, but I've never ridden one of these, and I'm just going with the flow, hoping that my tour guide will give me a marvelous experience. That's it. Don't know where me I do.
Yeah, to them. Understand.
Look on, bang! How would I?
there.
Yeah. Boom, light, you know? Blood trouble.
Yo!
Lifestyle. Rich. Yo, it's a Jamaican adventure lifestyle, bro.
Hold them! Hey! Hey! People may drive with a mad fun people.
I'm mad as love this, you know? I'm mad as love this, you know? Roar! Roar, score!
Straight. Okay. Oh! What a sport! Hey! Feel like a video game.
I'm mad as like this, man. Mad as like this. Remember that.
Yeah, nah, that man, I'm tough.
I sweet.
No betting me.
Sweet. No betting me.
Give me a turn, give me a turn. Go again, go again, go again. Give me one more. Oh, fuck. Show me. Oh.
That's life now. Killer.
Hold on.
Nice.
Trouble.
Head on. Right there. I start raining now. Maddest life, see me, love. No fear out here. Mad. Kingston have no activity.
Yeah.
I will find this. I will go on.
Go on.
Yeah, if you want more good, we'll link up on Instagram. You hear that?
Yeah.
Link up on Instagram at Jamaican Adventure _. No. That's how we get to work. No.
Nothing.
I just so when you live the maddest life, sometimes them things happen.
The maddest life, they live woman.
Sometimes it happen, man.
Take your time, auntie. One Jamaican Adventure upon them. I'm maddest life. See how we are.
Here we are.
me down! Man!
Modest life, member of people, Jamaica Adventures. Follow, like, subscribe, we're outside.
Remember that. Like, subscribe and share. I don't know what thing, but we have no fear. That we out here, oh. Modest life, go on through, sister girl. Let's go.
Don't fuck up.
Let's go fuck up.
Yeah, girl. I tell me, girl, I mean like,
Modest life.
I mean rough and tumble.
Crazy! This is an adventure part of Jamaica, you know. You get me? So now feel like more say, yo. And even rain, storm, we're still outside. Yeah? So we do it. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. You hear that? Rashida! Hey! Come on, I want to run up in the one in the wall.
Me see it, man.
Easy like Sunday morning. Easy. Hold on, Rashida! Yeah, man, put it in a neutral, then try and brake.
Believe.
That's correct. I still move, you know? That means you know that bad. Yeah, well, we are going to make it check.
See the road and a boy.
I'm going to take boy for angle the road.
Yeah, so that's what I want on the road.
Yeah.
And keep focus.
The moment you take your eye off.
Don't underestimate the whole day.
What?
The bike cafe.
Calm down. Hey, calm down. Calm down.
I don't who didn't
Put on the helmet. Look at me. Put up a helmet now. Happy birthday.
I ain't seen one, I ain't seen one still. That's why I do it for your extra.